Hello everyone and welcome back to MORGBORG Tech. Here is a quick unboxing of a phone that was technically just 1 cent on eBay. This is a Pantech Ease on at&t, and I paid $5.20 for shipping on this, but the actual bid price was 1 cent. This comes with the original box, and the pictures on the listing indicate that this turns on to the insert SIM screen, so it should work. It's got a shipping label on the back, so I don't want to show that. Looks like it was sealed at one point. It's got a DVD or a CD-ROM of sorts. Let's just look at this here. Here's the phone. A slider. It's got a good battery, of course. Looks like we got the manuals and that's it, no charger. Let's see if this has any power. It does not. It appears to take micro USB. So there's a quick unboxing of a 1 cent phone, the Pantech Ease from at&t. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, peace.